Ni suwing ba sa kanti kudan bosku media network konaram chaksoa, anga Alicia A sangma, nasimang na dalin Koborrang ko para katenga. Kata bichongrang, Chibri puntomu kra constituency o Trinamool Congress ni candidate o kata. Meghalaya Assembly election namang chikung kumutitani rangko sikat kapa ko para katanga. Chigumuk pa Koborrang, Shillong sonjumani Chibri puntomu kra constituency o Trinamool Congress TMC o ni susana mga kumangapa candidate Sambolang Dingdo. Mungoba salo TMC ni kataha. Sambolang Dingdo hazagni chichet bilsi ni Assembly election no Congress dolo ni susagpa panpan shngain rumnong baksari ang pas unibar salo TMC ni katang skaha. TMC ni katanya asil ko Koborrang atong parang na talatangingon. Wasak sa kapun ko chunukrik ki aromat nang de politics o naskja hindi ba na makamrang ko kanas kani duwani gemensa TMC ni kataha ni Dingdo para kataha. The election no wa independent candidate ong susas kagen ini ba Dingdo para kataha. February Joe, ang atna sing pa Meghalaya Assembly election na All India Trinamool Congress ATC ni election manifesto pachuso kate na magsungan ni rangko sigat pa kitab aro mangchikang kumachita ni rangko sigat kapag kitab ko mungubal salo jilman na prakate na nga ha. ATC ni election manifesto ko ATC ni National General Secretary Abhishek Banerjee Shillong sunjumani panuto para katanga ha. Ito bimongani sumayo Banerjee Koborrang atong barang baksa agan grikingon ya mangchikang kumachita ni rangara kumra chakani rang ja hindi babaman ni gnang So let
me first take you all through the 10 pledges for peace, 10 pledges for prosperity, 10 pledges for Meghalaya's progress, and 10 pledges for Meghalaya's pride. What is Meghalaya TMC's vision for Meghalaya? Our mission in Meghalaya, as I've always said, is to turn this state, beautiful state, into a model state across all sectors. The healthcare and education system will be revamped. The economy will be boosted for growth. The civic infrastructure will be made available for all. Indigenous rights will be protected at all costs. And no decisions will be anti-people or taken without their consent. This document that we present before you today, this has aspiration of lakhs of Meghalayans. This document, as I said, is not just a mere document. It is a vision document to show the world what Meghalaya is capable of.
Yan dal na Koborrang ni swing wa sa kanti kun metela.